St. Martha Montessori School, Barcelona Incorporated, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion for school year 2024-2025, of whom 25 are males and 14 are females. A total of 39 completing students, I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the junior high school curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their completion.
By the authority vested in me and having been presented and duly certified by the Junior High School Assistant Principal, Ms. Maria Julie Apello, that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the Junior High School curriculum. I now confirm you as Junior High School completers of St. Martha Montessori School, Barcelona Incorporated for the school year 2024-2025. Congratulations, completers.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for has arrived. It is now time for our graduates and completers to receive their diplomas and certificate of completion.
We invite Ms.
Now let's move on for the distribution of